Greetings, scholars. Beautiful mind here. Sorry about my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather, but we press on. We have this question that comes from Calculus for Business. It comes from our section 4.5, question 76 on integration technique, substitution. Okay. And so we have the following question. It says that a firm has a marginal profit given as such, where P of X is the profit earned at X dollars per unit. Find the total profit function given that P is 1500 when X is 1. Let's see. Okay, so my first mind is telling me to like basically integrate, right? Okay. So then we want to integrate, take the integral of dp by dx, right? So then that means we're going to be doing the integral of, we got 3000 minus 3000 x over x squared minus 2x plus 2 quantity squared dx. All right, so we want to integrate this guy. Okay, so if we're going to use u substitution, let's let our u be, let's try x squared minus 2x plus 2. And so that means our du would be 2x minus 2, right? Notice we don't have a 2x minus 2, but what if we factored out, let's move the negative 2 to the other side, right? So if we factor out negative 2 and divide both sides by negative 2, we'll get a negative 1/2 du equals, it should be 1 minus x, right? And so it looks like we can manipulate the original to get a 1 minus x, and again, there's a dx here, right? Okay. So now from the original, if we factor out the 3000 from the top, we're going to have 3000, okay, times the integral. We're going to have our 1 minus x dx, okay, so that part is there. And then on the bottom, it looks like we have x squared minus 2x plus 2 quantity squared, all right? Okay, so now I think it's in a form where we can apply our substitution, okay? So again, the 3000 persists. 1 minus x dx, so we need to incorporate the negative 1/2, so we got a negative 3000 over 2 integral. The du is there, and we have what? 1 over u squared. 1 over u squared is the same as u to the negative 2 du, right? So the main manipulations that we had to be aware of, factor out this 3000, it appears like this. We also had to factor out a negative 2 from our du so that we had this negative 1/2. So the negative 1/2 and the 3000 combined to give us this negative 3000 over 2, which is what, 1500, right? Negative 1500. But that was the main, I feel like that was the main part there. I think the rest of it just kind of flows from that point. Okay. So now I think we can integrate. So then it becomes negative 1500. U to the negative 2, if we integrate, becomes u to the negative 1 over negative 1 plus some constant. Okay. So then if we account for these changes, we get what? 1500 over u plus some constant. And then let's put our u back. So u is what? X squared minus 2x plus 2. X squared minus 2x plus 2 under 1500 plus some constant. But then we were also given the information that the profit is 1500. So again, this is our P of X, is by integrating our marginal profit. So the profit is 1500 when X is 1. So when we let X be 1, so P of 1 is going to be equal to 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 2 under 1500 plus some constant, that's going to equal 1500, all right? Okay. Okay. So it looks like our C, what on the bottom, what do we get? 1 minus 2 is negative 1, plus 2 is 1. So then subtract the 1500, it looks like C equals 0. Okay. So then it looks like our profit function is going to be, on the bottom we have this x squared minus 2x plus 2 under 1500. And again, our C is 0. So it looks like this is our profit function. Okay. So let's hop back over to Pearson and submit this result and see how did we do. All right. X squared minus 2x plus 2 under 1500. Let's zoom out some. Okay. So from what is here, let me get rid of all this other stuff. Turn that off. Okay. So this 3,000 look like it's gone. And I think that negative is gone. And I think this is exactly what we got. Let's submit this result. Okay. Let's see what else. Is that it? Oh no. It's already over. All right. Okay. So that means that was correct. All right. And on that note, we're going to end the session here. And from one beautiful mind to another, enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, guys. Take care. Peace.